Chris again, Republic, Austin, Texas. We've got another PS5 HDMI. Shocking, and look at that. Pushed through completely on that port. And liquid metal, not looking amazing. It's going to do a new port. And got it on there. Brand new port. So next, going to have to give it a test. All those guys on there tight, solid, not gonna move. Okay, back with this PS5 HDMI. Uh-oh. Why is it not lighting up? Oh, well, I guess the previous people who repaired it messed up the actual LED. So she's back, and we got some Atari 2600 action about to happen. Recapping it. So if you've got a repair you need done, new or old, give us a call, send us a DM. It's 512-459-2244.